China, Henan Global Heavy Industry Technology Corporation Limited is a national high-tech enterprise focusing on the research and development, production and service of mining machinery, construction, waste treatment equipment and green intelligent crushing and screening equipment. We are committed to providing customers around the world with efficient, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly mobile crushing and screening overall solutions. Mobile crushing and screening equipment can be divided into crawler-type mobile crushing and screening stations, tire-type crushing and screening machines, and frame-type modular crushing and screening machines according to different production configurations. They do not require fixed installation and are easy to transfer. There is also an integrated design, which may include the integration of feeder, crusher and screen to save space. Adaptable and able to handle different materials and terrains. In terms of energy conservation and environmental protection, it may involve low noise, low emissions, or dust removal devices. Intelligent control, such as remote monitoring and automated operations, reduces labor costs. Finally, the investment cost is low because no infrastructure is required and maintenance costs are also low. The mobile jaw crusher adopts the jaw extrusion crushing principle in its structure and is equipped with a vibrating feeder and a pre-screening system. It can be used for coarse crushing of hard rock, ore and other materials. It has large processing capacity and high crushing ratio. Mobile cone crushers realize laminated crushing through a hydraulically driven cone crushing chamber. They are often equipped with automatic control systems and are used to crush medium fine and high hardness materials, such as granite and basalt, to achieve uniform particle size of the finished product. The crushing hose of the impact crawler mobile crusher uses high-speed rotors to impact materials and is equipped with multi-stage impact plate to adjust the particle size. It is suitable for medium and low hardness materials, limestone, concrete. The finished product has good particle shape and is often used in the production of construction aggregates. There is also a mobile impact crusher, also known as a sand-making machine. It adopts the principle of stone against stone or stone against iron and is equipped with a centrifugal rotor to eject materials at high speed. It is specially used for the production of machine-made sand. The finished sand has controllable gradation and rounded grain shape. There are also mobile screening and crushing integrated machines that integrate crushing, screening, and conveying modules, support closed-circuit circulation systems, and are mostly used for construction, waste recycling and multi-stage crushing and screening lines to reduce the number of equipment. Crawler mobile screens have unique advantages over wheeled or other types of screens, including mobility, adaptability to complex terrain, rapid deployment, efficient screening, intelligent control, energy saving and environmental protection, multi-scenario application, easy maintenance, etc. The crawler chassis has the ability to climb slopes up to 30 degrees and overcome obstacles, and can directly operate in rugged sites such as mud, mines, and building ruins, reducing reliance on transportation vehicles. The equipment comes with its own power system, diesel or electric dual mode, and can be put into production within 1 hour after arriving at the site, shortening the construction period. Multi-layer screening design, equipped with 2 to 4 layers of screens of different specifications to complete coarse, medium and fine material classifications simultaneously. The screening efficiency is as high as 400 to 800 tons per hour. The screen box adopts a snap-on design, and a single person can complete the screen replacement within 15 minutes. It supports customized aperture 5 to 100 mm. At present, due to its mobility, intelligence and high output characteristics, the mobile crushing and screening station has become the core equipment of modern sand and gravel aggregate production lines and solid waste recycling projects, significantly reducing comprehensive operating costs while improving resource utilization.